Okay, so matigas. Pwede kayong gumamit din ng knife kung wala kayong cutter na ganito. Oh, matigas. Wow. Yan. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Grand Sabon Handcrafted Soap. Today, excited ako na i-share sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng sabong panlaba or laundry soap. With my recipe, 100% coconut oil. Coconut oil is extremely cleansing and perfect for soap making. First, kailangan mayroon tayong gloves, goggles to protect our eyes, weighing scale or kitchen scale. Kailangan natin ng soup mold. Kailangan natin ang mga containers gaya nito. We need a spatula. Kailangan natin ng stick blender. Kailangan natin ng bowl. We need distilled water. Kailangan natin ng lye. And of course, kailangan natin ng coconut oil. And for our recipe, i-share ko sa inyo guys ang recipe na to in making soap. So, this is 100% coconut oil. So, kailangan natin ng ang ating water would be 12.16. Ang ating lye ay 5.57 ounce. And for our oils is 32 ounces oil or 2 pounds. So, if you like this recipe, ilalagay ko to sa description and you can make soap of your own. So, let's make soaping. We will measure our coconut oil. Kailangan natin ng 32 ounces. Ten ounces. $20. $30. So we need 2 ounces pa. Okay, sobra. So ibalak natin ang sobra. Kailangan talaga eksakto na 32 ounces. Okay, perfect. So let's set this aside. So we have 32 ounces of coconut oil. Kailangan talaga eksakto, hindi dapat sumobra. At hindi rin dapat kulang. Measure natin ang ating lye. So let's put this to 0. So our lye, we need 5.57. We need 5.57 ounce of lye. Okay, 5.57. Set aside. Now we need another container for the water. Let's turn this to 0 again. And kailangan natin ng distilled water or pure distilled water or purified water. So for our water, we need 12.16. Then there, 12.1. So, the next step, dissolve ang ating lye to our water. So, gumamit ako ng ice at nakababad ang ating water para ito ay madaling lumamig at hindi ito mag-create ng fumes. Gusto namin yung mag-mix ng water at ng lye. So, it is very important na gumamit ng goggles to protect our eyes. So, mix muna natin ang ating lye with the water. So, konti-konti lang muna. So, dapat ito ay sa open space para hindi natin malanghap yung fumes. Our lye water is at room temperature together with our coconut oil. So, we'll mix it. Dahan-dahan na i-mix ang lye solution or lye water sa ating oil. Close. Gamit ang stick blender. So, i-mix natin dahan-dahan hanggang ang water at ang oil ay completely emulsified. Or yung water or our lye solution and our oil ay wala ng separation. So, continue mixing. So this is light trays. So we need mas heavy pa dito. Actually, yung light trays or medium trays like this ay pwede nating ilagay sa ating soup mold. Pero I prefer medyo heavy pa yung trays. So, pwede ninyo itong lagyan ng essential oil or yung, let's say, gusto ninyo na may amoy or scent ang inyong soap. Pero in this case, ay optional lang naman yon. So, for this soap, I prefer wala siyang scent. So, this is completely emulsified. Wala nang separation ng oil and lye water. So, this is already good. But then, I really like very thick trays. So, antayin ko after 5 minutes, we'll be back. We'll be back after 5 minutes. Okay, now this is very creamy. So, kahit light or medium trays ay ready na to pour into your mold. But in this case, gusto ko siyang maging heavy trays like this one. So ngayon, ilalagay na natin siya sa ating mold. Yan. This will be beautiful, very high cleansing laundry soap. Pwede din ninyong i-watch yung mga videos ko kung paano gumawa ng lye solution and lye water. So, we'll be back after probably 5 hours to 8 hours, and then we will do the cutting. Okay, it's time to unmold our laundry bar soap. So after 8 hours, ito na siya, matigas. So let's see. Oh, wow! So, ito na ang ating sabong panlaba. Okay, so, matigas. So, let's see. Pwede kayong gumamit din ng knife kung wala kayong cutter na ganito. Oh, matigas. Wow. Ayan. So, itong sabon na to, we can use this after 3 weeks of curing or 4 weeks. So, ready na siyang gamitin. Matigas. Okay. Oops. So, kailangan 5 hours, i-cut na siya. So, I waited 8 hours. Very nice. So nice. I love it. So, it's beautiful. Optional, pwede kayong maglagay ng essential oil like chamomile or lavender, tea tree sa inyong sabon. So, this is it. If you like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day, everyone.